Hello, welcome to the South Ganga Career Institute. I am Kapil Sharma. Here we are going to discuss two new vowel sounds. First of all, let me tell you, have you ever imagined that PUT is put, but CUT is not put, it is cut. Both have same spellings, both use U, but their pronunciation is different. PULL, pull. To add to the confusion, double O also produce this particular sound U, as in put, pull, book, look. Same spellings, rather the use of same vowel in two different spellings produce different sounds. तो again here IPA जो है वो rescue पे आता है और we have two sounds here. One is inverted omega sound. We have highlighted the IPA symbol in yellow here. It looks like a horseshoe. It is also called Latin Upsilon. Omega is the last and final letter in Greek alphabets. So the pronunciation goes like this: ooh, put, pull, book, look. Second one is wedge sound. The pronunciation goes like no, not big as in cut, but, hut, shut. The symbol looks like inverted small case V, English alphabet V. We call it wedge sound. Let's see some examples first.
Inverted omega versus wedge. Listen to the pronunciation. Put, put, put. Listen to the pronunciation. Cut, cut, cut. Listen to the pronunciation. Pull, pull, pull. Listen to the pronunciation. But, but, but.
Now please try to read this sentence. We have inserted here three inverted omega symbols, IPA symbols. I, then try to read. Can you read it? Let's see.
I took a quick look and found my book. I took a quick look and found my book. Listen to the pronunciation. Look, look, look. Listen to the pronunciation. La, la, la. Please read this sentence. Can you read? Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Please read this sentence. Can you read? I took a quick look and found my book. I took a quick look and found my book. Please read this sentence. Can you read? Shut up. Shut up. Quick revision, inverted omega. As in put. As in pull. As in full. Quick revision, wedge sound. As in cut. As in but. As in shut. In our next video, learn some more English vowel sounds. For more information, visit SGCI website. For any assistance, feel free to mail us at southganga@outlook.com. Thanks for watching.